Hey guys, what's going on? Thanks for checking in for another video. I appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe to us if you find our information helpful. As always, our information is down below on how to contact us, our website and our Facebook page. Also, our business hours are Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 Central Time. I do get calls at 8 in the morning, 7:30, 6:30 in the afternoon. You won't get a response at that time. We'll get a response the next day. Sometimes we're on calls. If you call during business hours, you'll get our voicemail and we will call you back. Just leave a message, okay? So, Goodwill letters. Goodwill letters you can use when, let's say you have a late payment. Let's pretend you have a credit card, right? Or a couple of credit cards. And the only time that these letters generally will work is if you have always been in good standing with these credit card companies, right? Always paid on time, never had a problem, blah, blah, blah. You're one of those good customers that pay on time. And then life happens. Maybe you got a divorce, maybe you lost a job, maybe you got furloughed because of COVID-19. Could be a ton of different reasons, right? And now you became late on a payment, maybe two payments, all right? So Goodwill letters are basically, because now that one or two late payments is going to show up on your credit report and your credit score is going to go down a little bit. So being that you're on top of your credit, you check your credit often and you care about your credit, you notice this and you're like, crap, now what? So Goodwill letters, which we have a couple of different ones, you could send that to the credit bureaus. Not credit bureaus, I'm sorry, the credit card companies that you have late payments with and say, listen, and they're worded all different kinds of things in different ways, but generally what it's saying is, listen, I've always been on time. I've been a great customer with you. I've never been late, but this particular incident happened in life. I got laid off due to COVID-19, got a divorce, whatever it is, and I was late a payment. Could you please take that off my credit report? It's affecting my score. Sometimes they say yes. It happens. They say yes, no problem. We understand. You're right. You have always been good. We'll forgive it this time. Doesn't mean you're going to forgive the late fees or the interest or whatever, but at least they'll take it off your credit report, so it's not negative. And if they don't, and if they say no, you send up a follow-up letter. You don't just quit after one time. You try again. So that's what they are for, Goodwill letters. We have those. Again, we can send them out for you. We have templates. They're already pre-typed up. We just changed some things to accommodate you and your situation. But again, they are helpful and they can help clear up minor little blemishes on your credit if you have always been in good standing with those card companies. Now, if you're constantly late, you had a credit card 2 or 3 years and you're late several times all the time, they're not going to do anything for you. At that point, you want to dispute the late payments. Now, people ask, can I send a Goodwill letter and a follow-up letter? Let's say if they deny it and a follow-up letter. Let's say they deny both and they say, you know what, sorry, too bad. You've always been a great client, but you've been late once and we're just not going to help you out. Can you still dispute now with the 609 letters that we have? Can you dispute the late payments? Yes, you can. Just because you asked them to, for the Goodwill letter and they denied it, you can still dispute them. That's not a problem. It can be done. So, hope that clears up anything you've ever heard about Goodwill letters, or if you have any more questions about it, please feel free to email us and we will respond to you and help you any way we can. Again, thanks for watching and hope you all have a great day and stay positive.